Hi, my name's Alexa, and I'm actually advertising on YouTube besides on my Instagram my first Skillshare class. So my Skillshare class is called Photoshop for the Absolute Beginner. So what I'm going to be doing in the class is I'm going to go over selection tools, and I'm going to go over paintbrush, how to color and shade and blend with your brush tools. And I just have so many different ideas for classes, especially in the future, but this is my first one. And I'm going to be doing little activities with you. I'm going to be doing a little veggie head activity besides a Christmas ornament activity. I know it's not Christmas, but I just like the coloring page, and I figured it would help you learn. And your final project after that. So, but I have all the files listed in the Your Project section. But I'm going to leave a link down below to my Skillshare. So anyway, I actually have, for a limited time only, I have a code. And it's for 10 spots I have left for you to sign up to Skillshare and watch my class for free. So I'm going to be putting the link down below. And yeah, I mean, I worked really hard on this class, and I have all different things to show you. I'm going to have the veggie head, and I'm going to have I'm going to go over the supplies that you're going to need and things like that. Well, for this class, I'm going to go over it. All you're going to need is a mouse, a laptop, and a art tablet if you wish. That's just an optional thing. You do not have to get an art tablet if you're not comfortable with it. Not comfortable, but I know art tablets are very high and expensive. But even if you want to get a bamboo, that's fine. But I'm just going to use a mouse for this class, besides Photoshop, obviously. I'm going to use a mouse just so I can show you don't need a fancy tablet to color and make really cool drawings and digital drawings for this class. So I'm going to be going over the magic wand tool. I'm going to be going over the quick selection. I'm going to be going over everything. The only things I'm not going to cover is the clone stamp tool, because what's going to happen with that is I'm going to be doing that in another class. So this is just for beginners to get you into Photoshop. I'm going to go over the layer palette. I'm going to go over gradients and how to customize them. And I'm just going to go over a lot of cool stuff. And, I'll show you some of my artwork, and I'm going to show you the final project, and I'll show you the samples that I have. And please, even if you don't sign up for the class right away, follow me on Skillshare. I'm Alexa D, so you can follow me. I'll leave a link. Don't worry, I'm going to leave a link to everything down below. And also, if you want to check out some of my artwork, please follow and check out my Instagram, Lexies_illustrations. Lexies, Lexie. I spell it Lexie. But yeah. Anyway, so I hope you enjoy this class, and I hope you learn from it. And I can't wait to see you in class, guys. Bye.